Hello everyone, welcome back to Auto Trend TV. I'm you Prajesh again. In this video today, I would like to talk about the variant details and the pricing of the brand new 2021 Tata Safari, which has been just launched. Tata Motors has unveiled the brand new Safari starting from rupees 14.69 lakh for the entry-level XE variant, going all the way up to rupees 21.25 lakh ex-showroom for the top spec XZ-A Plus automatic variant. Let's take a look at the features, variants and specifications of the brand new Tata Safari. Tata Motors has officially revealed the variants and features list of the brand new 2021 Tata Safari, and here's a detailed summary on the features available on all the variants. The brand new 2021 Tata Safari will be available in 6 variants, namely the XE, XM, XT, XT Plus, XZ and the XZ Plus. While these are the manual variants, a 6-speed torque converter automatic transmission will be available on the XMA, XZA and the XZA Plus variants. We all know that the new Tata Safari will be available in 6-seater or 7-seater configurations. However, the 7-seater layout is expected to be standard on the XE, XM, XT and the XT optional variants, with only the XZ and the XZ Plus variants getting the option of a 6-seat captain chair version. All variants are expected to provide standard features such as projector headlamps, all-wheel disc brakes, rear AC vents, all 4 power windows, along with safety features such as dual airbags with ABS, EBD, electronic stability program, traction control, hill hold, rollover mitigation, electronic brake prefill, electronic brake disc wiping, 4 reverse parking sensors, and height adjustable headrests for 6 passengers. The entry-level XE variant will not offer an audio system, front fog lamps, rear windshield wiper washer with defogger, and neither will it offer electrically adjustable ORVMs. However, all variants will come as standard with the Boss mode for the second row of seats, which is basically a lever on the right side of the front passenger seat, which can be used by the second row passenger to increase the legroom to provide a limousine-like experience. Next in line is the XM variant, which offers a 7-inch touchscreen system with reverse park assist, electrically adjustable ORVMs, front fog lamps and rear windshield wiper washer with defogger. Both the XE and the XM variants will be available with 16-inch steel wheels as standard and manual air conditioning with rear AC vents. The XM variant will also offer 3 multiple drive modes for the engine, including the city mode, sports mode and the economy mode. These multiple drive modes will be absent on the entry-level XE variant. The third variant in line is the XT, which will offer the very same 7-inch Connect Next touchscreen system. However, this variant will get a reverse parking camera, automatic headlamps, automatic wipers, automatic climate control, a dual-tone interior theme, voice commands for the touchscreen system with Android Auto, Apple CarPlay and steering-mounted audio controls, cruise control, smart key access with push-button start. This XT variant of the Tata Safari itself will offer connected car features through the IRA Connect, What 3 Words and Connect Next app suites, providing various features including geofencing, remote light and horn activation, vehicle diagnostics, location-based services, over-the-air updates and vehicle tracking. This XT variant itself will receive 18-inch single-tone alloy wheels as standard, whereas dual-tone alloy wheels will be available as standard only on the XZ and the XZ Plus variants. Just like the XT Plus variant of the Tata Harrier, the XT Plus variant of the Tata Safari will additionally feature a panoramic sunroof in addition to all the features available on the standard XT variant. After the XT and the XT optional comes the XZ variant, which will offer an 8.8-inch touchscreen system with 9 JBL speakers, dual-tone interior with oyster white leather seats, xenon projector headlamps, a semi-digital instrument cluster, and most importantly the terrain response modes including a wet mode and a rough road mode along with hill descent control. This XZ variant itself will feature a powered driver seat, auto-dimming IRVM and ambient mode lighting. The new 2021 Tata Safari will also feature tire pressure monitoring system as standard from the XT variant itself. In terms of safety features, this XZ variant onwards, the new Safari will receive 6 airbags, an electronic parking brake with auto hold function, hill descent control, apart from the standard safety equipment list. Finally comes the XZ Plus top spec variant, which in addition to the XZ variant will receive a panoramic sunroof as the only additional feature over the XZ variant. In terms of luggage space, the new Tata Safari is expected to offer only 73 liters of boot space, with all 7 seats occupied. However, all variants will come as standard with roof rails which can hold up to 75 kilos of maximum weight, and all variants will also come as standard with 50-50 split flat folding third row seats which can extend the luggage space to more than 600 liters. All the variants of the new Tata Safari will come as standard with the very same 2-liter Cryotech 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine which produces 170 PS of maximum power and 350 Nm of maximum torque through either a 6-speed manual transmission which comes as standard or the 6-speed torque converter automatic transmission which is available as an option on the XM, XZ and the XZ Plus variants. All the variants apart from the entry-level XE variant also will come as standard with the multiple drive modes including city mode, economy mode and the sports mode. Finally, here's the chart of all the variants of the brand new Tata Safari to quickly sum up all the features available on all variants. Now coming to the pricing, the Tata Safari XE manual variant starts from Rs 14.69 lakh ex-showroom, with the XM priced at Rs 16 lakh ex-showroom, the XT priced at Rs 17.45 lakh ex-showroom, and the XT Plus, which additionally gets only a panoramic sunroof over the XT variant priced at Rs 18.25 lakh ex-showroom. Similarly, the top spec XZ variant is priced at Rs 19.15 lakh ex-showroom, with the XZ Plus variant getting a panoramic sunroof priced at Rs 19.99 lakh ex-showroom for the manual range. As I already said earlier, the automatic gearbox option is available only on the XMA, XZA and the XZA Plus variants, with the XMA variant priced at Rs 17.25 lakh ex-showroom, the XZA priced at Rs 20.40 lakh ex-showroom and the top spec XZA Plus variant priced at Rs 21.25 lakh ex-showroom. Tata Motors also has introduced a special Adventure Persona edition on the Tata Safari, which gets a brand new mist blue color, piano black detailing on the grille, door handles and ORVMs, a black Safari mascot on the bonnet, and charcoal grey alloy wheels, with the design carried forward from the regular XZA Plus variant. On the inside, this special edition gets a different interior color theme, with an all-black dashboard,
the Safari Adventure Persona
detailing, and most importantly,
and piano
beige
black
leather
finished
upholstery.
materials.
This special edition provides a more unique look to the Safari and is available only on the top spec XZ Plus and the XZA Plus variants, priced at Rs 20.20 lakh for the manual and 21.45 lakh ex-showroom for the automatic XZA Plus based variant. Going by these introductory prices, the Tata Safari seems like great value for money considering the overall package, space, comfort, features and safety. As a matter of fact, the Tata Safari is priced with only 70 to 90,000 premium over the 5-seat Tata Harrier. Overall, the new Tata Safari could be an incredible rival for the upcoming Mahindra XUV 500, while also giving some tough times to the MG Hector Plus and the Toyota Innova Krista. Do let me know in the comment section below what do you think about this brand new Tata Safari and its pricing. Meanwhile, this is Viprajesh signing off. See you on another video. Thank you for watching.